Find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus plus 2187. Observe that this is a geometric series because the ratio from 1 to 3 is 3 over 1 equals 3. From 3 to 9 is 9 over 3 equals 3. So the common ratio is 3. To use the formula for the geometric sum, where S sub n equals the sum from n equals 1 or k equals 1 to n of a r to the k minus 1, this sum is a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. To use this formula, we need to know a. In this case, a is 1. It is the initial or first term. We need to know r. r is 3, which we computed the ratio of the two consecutive terms. But also we need to know n, and we don't have that information. First, we know that the n term has the formula a sub n equals a times r to the n minus 1. And so if the n terms is 2187, we know a is the first term, it is 1, and r is the ratio, common ratio, 3. N we don't know, so we rewrite it. This is 2187 equal 3 to the n over 3. Because 3 to the n minus 1 is 3 to the n over 3. And we want to write it in this form because we want to find n. In this case, multiply 3 to both sides of the equation to get 6,561 equals 3 to the n. And we can simply find n from here. We can ln both sides of the equation to get ln of 6,561 equals ln of 3 to the n. We ln both sides of the equation because we are solving for n in the exponent, which allows us to rewrite it as ln of 6,561 equals n times ln of 3. N is therefore ln of 6,561 over ln of 3, and this is exactly 8. And so in this formula, n equals 8. Using this formula to find the sum, we now have a equals 1 times 1 minus r, r is 3, to the 8th power, over 1 minus r, but r is 3. We then put this in a calculator and obtain 3,280.